This is a big pot of pure goodness. I'm Tess, and today I'm making creamy hamburger soup. Easy and delicious. Stay tuned. This is 1.5 pounds of 85/15 ground beef. In my soup pot on medium-high heat, I'm browning and chopping the beef until no longer pink. I'm not draining the fat, but if you are using a fattier mix, you may want to drain off the excess fat. Adding in 1 cup of diced onions, 2 stalks of diced celery, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. Adding in 4 cloves of minced garlic, cooking and stirring for another minute. I love the taste of cabbage in soup, and this time of year it is so affordable. This is 2 cups and it will cook down. 1 package of mixed frozen vegetables makes this recipe so easy. I'm adding in a total of 6 cups of chicken broth and giving that a good mix, turning up my heat to bring this to a simmer. For the seasonings, I have a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, and you can add to your taste. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. Giving that a good stir, bringing up to a simmer, partially covering and cooking for 20 minutes. I have about 2 cups of peeled and diced potatoes. You can leave the skin on if you wish, giving that a stir. I'm also adding in 1 cup of whole milk, bringing this back up to a simmer and cooking for 15 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. You can see what I mean by a big pot of goodness. We have 5 more minutes before the potatoes are done. I'm tasting for any seasonings. I'm adding in a sprinkle more of salt and black pepper, garlic powder, and oregano. When you add spices to any soup or sauce in the last 5 to 10 minutes of cooking, it really boosts and brightens the flavors. If the potatoes are fork tender and fall apart easily, they are done. But we are not done yet. We have to add more of the creaminess to the hamburger soup. I have 8 ounces of cubed velveeta cheese, giving that a stir and cooking on low-medium until the cheese melts. You can also use shredded sharp cheddar cheese. The cheese really adds a nice creamy comfort to the soup. You can use the vegetables that you like. I think the cabbage really gives the soup a nice flavor and texture. The frozen vegetables are so convenient. This soup will feed a hungry family and a great way to get the kids to eat their vegetables. I hope you give this creamy hamburger soup a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!